The family. How those guys doing out there? Yo, in the world. How not doing in the world? All my London crew them, how not do? Jamaican crew them, how not get on? Family all about abroad. Yard and abroad. Respect to the item. You don't know. You see me? Just pick up a new ride still on my way to Mickwood. Drop some gas in them and yeah. Brand spanking, fresh, crisp biscuit. Yeah, button start, you don't know. Yeah, you know I play with the thing. You see me? So, it's a new vibe, you know? New day again. Give thanks for life. In a real life, give thanks for life. You see me? Yeah, so all of my fans, them, you don't know, I'm bridging them, I'm assisting them. I'm foreign, we're going big up. See? I don't know, Jai would love on to the maximum. See? Even though I can't see him, but the art still there. Said, where is it? In real life. So right now, the way I look bleak, you say, watch it, watch it, what? It's cloudy. Also over there, so cloudy. See it? Over there, so. See it? As a St. Lucia stay full of animal. You see me? Yeah. Mama Bia come now from the shop. So it is there. And I be a thing. I go down the road. Yeah. One big session I go on. Guinness session, Heineken session, big session and big boy. When I reach down there, I show you now where I go and still see. I better just keep my fingers crossed, everything go down nice today. Because it's a big thing. There you go. I've sorted that, you see it? So, time out. Soon short again, see me? Alright, see? Alright, cha. Wadada, I'm out.